Good morning. We are on our first day off in Stanley, Idaho, and we're at the Mountain something Resort Lodge.
Mountain Valley?
Mountain Valley, let's go with that.
Okay.
And we're going to their private hot springs, which is our hot spring number 3 for the trip. Pretty excited about it. It's a tiny little guy, about a 5-minute walk behind the facility here. You have to make reservations. They take about 8 people at a time. So we'll see what this is all about. It's beautiful here, super gorgeous. Mountains, rivers, the whole bit. We could go epic mountain biking, paddle boarding, do all the adventure activities, but that's not our vibe today.
Yeah, yesterday Justin's like, I think we should ride mountain bikes tomorrow. What are you thinking? No. We're not doing that. Or at least 50% of us are not doing that.
I won't need to do it. Our butts are pretty sore. We don't need to be on more 2 wheels for our day off, so fine. We are at Redfish Lake, continuing our beautiful day off. Let's see, we went to the hot springs this morning. Liz had a nice nap. I worked out because it's Memorial Day, and we do Memorial Day Murph. Yeah,
You do.
I do.
I do Memorial Day next.